Would you date a man that cannot perform anymore due to medical issue or age? Let's say he cannot give you a baby. Okay. Are you open to adopting children if he cannot make a baby? What do you feel separates you from women in the West? Very beautiful. I want to be friends with you. Hi everyone! If anyone is interested in this t-shirt, you can check out our YouTube store and get one from there. We have styles for men and women. Okay, anyway, we have a very pretty Filipina right here. um, would you date a man that cannot perform anymore due to medical issue or age?
For me, I don't see any problem at all. Since ano naman po, I am, um,
Okay, you don't see any problems
yes.
since
Since I'm not interested into it, so ano, hindi na po ako active.
she's not active. Why? How old are you?
I'm 21.
You're 20.
Yes.
Why are you saying that? Like you sound like you are in your 80s.
Ever, ever since when I am a teenager, I don't like to have a sex po talaga with other.
Why? I'm just very curious. It's not your thing, right?
Yes, it's not my thing and hindi ako okay sa feeling na yun. To be honest
She's
lang.
not okay with that feeling. Okay, that's very interesting. It's my, like, especially your age, you're 21. People at that age, they're crazy, they're wild, right?
I don't know. I don't know why I'm like this. I don't like that with making love with my with my boyfriend ganun. I don't want to.
Oh, so you have a boyfriend.
Yes, I have.
And how long have you been with your
2 years in
2 years.
counting. Yes. But my boyfriend and I, we are not into making love. We're just cuddle,
Cuddles.
cuddles, hugs, like that.
I see. Wow. Okay. Um, okay. Are you open to adopting children if he cannot make a baby?
Yeah, I'm willing to.
How about now? Let's say he can, but since you mentioned that you don't like to, make love, do you see yourself adopting or having your own children?
Adapting, yes, and having own, yes din po.
Both. It's
Yeah.
okay. Okay. That's very interesting. Very interesting. Okay, because I have friends like your age as well. It's not very this is my first time to to met
Hearing
someone.
this,
Yes. Yes, my first time. Anyway, what do you feel separates you from women in the West?
and the West,
Yeah, like for example, ano ba yung pagkakaiba mo or ano yung nagse-separate sa mo from yung mga babae sa West? Let's say American women or any, as long as they're from West countries, women from West. What separates you from them?
um, I am not open-minded.
You're not open-minded.
I'm conservative in terms of like having a making love with partner, but as you see in my outfit, I am very what you call this ate
Expressive, right?
yes, expressive.
Okay. Do you consider this as, what do you call this? Not the typical clothing of a provinciana of a province Filipina.
I think today this is called a typical outfit na here in province po.
Okay.
Sometimes I wear shorts, then t-shirt, then I go to the restaurant to eat like that po. It's normal.
It's normal.
For everyday ano lang, everyday outfit.
Everyday out. Well, It's I think it's normal now because it's summer here in the Philippines. It's very hot. Oh my goodness, guys. We've been walking for like hours now. We're sweating and everything. Especially me, I'm wearing jeans. It's very hot. Very hot. Yes. So I think it's that's why I prefer wearing dresses because it's more like comfortable. Yes, it's more comfortable. Especially this. Oh my god, it's freaking hot. Earlier I was getting a little dizzy because of the heat. It's not good. Even you're sweating.
I'm just walking around 5 minutes, but look at my sweat now, ate.
Yes.
Oh my God. 48 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. And
At,
I even heard people dying already because of the weather. Mhm. Even I heard one from Albay, a baby died because of heat stroke. Would you date a man that cannot perform anymore due to let's say medical issue or age?
Um, yes, of course, I would love to. Because for me, love is not everything that man can give it everything to me. But love is enough. Um, just like that. Love is everything.
Love is everything. So if you like the person, if you love the person, you will date
So
him.
I would accept the
Oh, you will accept him. That's very beautiful. You will accept him. Okay. Let's say he cannot give you a baby. Okay. Are you open to adopting children if he cannot make a baby?
yeah, I love to.
That sounds like you have a big heart. Okay. What do you feel separates you from women in the West?
What makes me separated with women in the West. So I have a one thing, reasons. Many of the West women wear revealing clothes, but for me, as a Filipina, as a provinciana girl, I don't wear too much revealing clothes. So, yeah, it's too uncomfortable.
So you don't wear like sexy shorts,
No, no,
even skirts,
I don't too.
or even
My parents are too much, too much strict.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they don't allow you as well to wear like revealing
Yeah,
clothes.
and because of my religion too.
Oh, may we know what's your religion?
The Church of Jesus Christ of the Latter-day Saints po.
Oh, so it's not allowed as well from your religion. They don't allow wearing sexy clothes.
Yeah, it's it's it is it's in yours insides. If you want, go. But for me, in our religions, they don't have rules. But for me, um, I just follow them. I just follow the leaders' words or the rules. Yeah, our rules.
The rules. Okay. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have any.
Ah, since birth? Or you had one?
Yeah, I had the one.
And how long have you been single?
I don't know, just 6 months.
Ha-
Yeah.
have you ever thought of being in a relationship with a foreigner?
No, no, I don't.
Okay. But let's say there is this guy from another country who likes you very much. And he even wants to meet you, meet your parents, meet your family. Would you give him a chance, like to meet you and your family, like that?
Yeah, why not?
So you're not closing your doors to anyone, right?
No, I don't.
Would you date a man that cannot perform anymore due to a medical issue or age?
For me, yes, but I guess if it is about age, um, age doesn't matter, but I don't see myself dating with a older guy po. But um about the performance or it is okay din naman po.
Are you open to adopting children if he cannot make a baby?
Yes. Yes po.
Without any second thought, yes. Okay. What do you feel separates you from women in the West?
I think I'm different with the women in the West because I'm a Filipina, and the the values I have is, I think it is unique, and the attitudes of Filipinas.
It's like completely different from the women from the West, like that, right?
Yes.
What kind of attitude?
Like, I think Filipina is more caring, or um their love language is, I guess it's more sweet than the other.
Oh, more sweet. Would you date a man that cannot perform anymore due to a medical issue or age?
Um, for me, I would also date that man with uh issue that because it doesn't matter no matter how he is or what kind of situation he have, or because if you love a person you will accept them by who they are, because your love will definitely be the biggest of the situation. You know, when you are loving a person, you have to accept what they are, and you have to accept their flaws.
That's very beautiful. Okay. Are you open to adopting children if he cannot make a baby?
Yes, because there's a lot of children out there that there is no parents, or they are abandoned by their family, and they have to have a parents that uh, and also those children have also uh, uh, those children also have the the wait lang,
Kinakabahan na yung Tagalog. Ano ba They also have to.
uh, ano they want to feel that they are loved, and uh, I want them to experience how complete the family is, and ano the children also needs a care from their parents, so that I would rather adopt a children for me to become a to build a family and to give them bests and experience the complete family.
They also deserve home. They also deserve love, right? You are a good person, and I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. Your future family, your future kids, they're gonna be, very grateful to have you as a mother. And I could see that already. They're gonna be blessed. They're gonna be very grateful to have you. You're gonna be a good, really good mama in the future. Okay. What do you feel separates you from women in the West?
I think that I can manage to because for example other women in western they are not, kumbaga when it comes to love, they are not open of how they love a person based on their flaws or situation. So for me this is my difference from other women, that I can love those person that cannot perform and have their flaws.
Oh, so are you saying that they're choosy?
No, definitely not. I am not referring, or I am not telling that they are choosy, but for me I am the different from them, because uh there's a rare person that can love and accept you for who you are.
Exactly, that's true. Especially now, right? It's completely a different world, right? Compared before. People like women, they expect more. They always have these so-called what do you
The
call this?
trends.
Yes.
The trends, yeah, mostly of the women, syempre, they're like to choose the man they can perform, or they are they prefer to choose a man that is perfectly fine and they can serve them. And this generation is really rare to find a woman that can accept their flaws.
Very beautiful. I want to be friends with you. No, but you're a good person. That's very nice of you. Very nice. You're like a gold. Well, anyway, thank you so much. Bisalamat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She's very shy. No, thank you so much. Oh my God, thank you.